Now we are going to see equal grouping. It is the second heading. That is, it is also comes under division. First we have seen equal sharing. So when we put object into equal groups, we actually find out how many equal groups can be made. We also use division to find out how many equal groups can be made. That means for this also we are using division, but it is an equal grouping. So when we put objects into equal groups, so how many objects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 objects. So 8 objects I put into equal groups. So we have to find out how many equal groups. That is what? That is 8 in equal groups of 2 gives 4 groups. So 8 objects. So we divided into equal groups of 2. So how many groups formed? That is, how many groups are formed? First group and second group and third group and what? Fourth group. So objects are 8. So objects are 8 cylinders, objects 8. So 8 objects totally, and it is divided into equal groups of 2. So I just in each group I have put into 2 cylinders. Okay, in each group I put into 2 cylinders. So this is the first group 2 cylinders, second group 2 cylinder, and third group 2 cylinders, and fourth group also 2 cylinder. That is what? 8 in equal groups of 2 gives how many groups? So how many groups I got it? So I got how many groups means 4 groups. That is what we actually find out how many equal groups. So I got 4 equal groups. That is what we can make 4 equal groups. That is what. So for this purpose also we use division, but it is an equal grouping. That means total object is 12. So after that, what I've divided into what? Equal group. Equal group in each group I arranged two cylinders. In equal group means, so total number of objects are 8. Total number of cylinder is 8. On each group I arranged two cylinders. So totally how many groups you can find out? So equal groups is 4. That is what I've divided. So 8 is divided by what? 2. So that is what we written, 8 in equal groups of 2. 8 in equal groups of 2, that means 8 is going to divide by 2. So 8 is going to divide by 2. That means you must use the what? 2 tables. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 4s are 8. So you can get how many groups? That is 4 groups you can get it. That is what. So total number of object is 8. Then we put into what? Equal groups. So equal groups of 2. So we find out how many equal groups. That is the only thing. So for this purpose we use division. So total number of object is 8. So 8 in equal groups of 2. We got 4 equal groups. That means we can find out how many groups mean 4 equal groups. So that is what? 4. That is a quotient. So 4 equal groups we can find out and we can made it. That is 8 divided by 2. So 8 divided by, you can get what? 4 is a quotient, remainder is 0. 8 is the dividend and 2 is a divisor, and 4 is a quotient and 0 is a remainder. That is what. So objects are 8 and equal groups of what? Equal groups means equal in each group. That is, in each group how many objects are there means 2 objects. That is what? 8 in equal groups of 2. So how many groups? How many equal groups means? That is equal group of 2. Equal group of 2. That is in each group. That means, or else each group how many objects? In each group 2 objects. Each group 2 objects. And answer is how many equal groups? 4 equal group. Okay, this is the right answer for the question. Okay, 8 is a what? Total number of objects and equal groups of 2. That means in each group what? We arrange 2 objects, and finally how many equal groups means 4 equal group. That means 4 is the right answer for the question. 4 is a 4 equal group. Again I'll write 4 equal group is a right answer for the question. I think so you understand equal grouping.